Hi guys, it's me, Cheryl Castro, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys, itatry po namin yung pasang nabili namin. So iluluto lang siya sa microwave guys, hindi na siya iluluto sa gas. So tignan natin. So this is the instructions. So ito guys yung laman niya.
Okay, only this.
No need to remove the cover, baby.
No, only one part here.
Only small.
Only small for cook.
Because this is plastic, no making fire.
No.
So ito siya guys. So we never try this kind of pasta, right, baby?
No, never.
So it's siyang mac and cheese, cheddar and calabresa. So, ito siya guys. Ito yung mga instruction niya. I don't know. How many minutes?
Here, say for put 5 minutes. But have one thing. This is you put this in the fridge there. It's right as in the freezer. Is right to put the freezer direct to microwave. Need to stay and ice this.
Really?
Ice it, yes.
We check if good or no good. So ito.
Because this I put 3 minutes half, not put the 5 minutes.
So ayun nga guys, yung ulam namin nga, yung pagkain namin ngayon is yung pasta na nilagay namin sa microwave. So itatry namin yun. First time namin kumain ng ganun. So tingnan natin kung masarap siya guys. Pag masarap siya, yun na lang kakainin namin everyday. If this is good, we eat this one every day, baby. How much this one?
I don't remember.
So ngayon guys is what time now, baby? 8?
Now?
9.
7. 12.
Gabi na dito guys. So nanonood kami ng Netflix. Taran. So ayun ang pinapanood namin guys. Spectral film sa Netflix. So action movie siya guys. So wala naman tayong ganap ngayon guys. Nasa bahay lang kami. Hindi kami lumabas ngayon. So kailangan natin mag-video guys. Okay? So I hope you like this video guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. End ko na siya. Kasi wala naman akong ginagawa. Tsaka wala mga ganap-ganap nga. Dito lang ako sa bahay. Nagbe-video-video. Alam niyo na. Walang kwenta mga content ko.